Morning to all. Today discuss about major project presentation and execution. Our project name is Traffic Prediction Methods for Intelligent Transport System in Smart Cities. Our team batch number is 1. My team members are Ellinki Rakesh, Prem Kumar Reddy, David Avinash, Kasula Abhilash Gaud. Coming to contents, in this presentation contains abstract, introduction, existing system, disadvantage, etc. Coming to abstract, the project intends to build upon an instrument for seeing exact and ideal traffic stream information. Then in nowadays we see in traffic environment like traffic light mishaps and any events, then cause of jam. The chance of we have earlier we exceptionally closer to surprise petty above mentioned a lot more day by day circumstance influence traffic at the point a driver or rider can settle an educated choice. Then we accessible expectations strategies for traffic stream utilize some traffic forecast models or as to deal with the genuine applications. The reality motivated us to chip traffic stream estimated on the traffic information models. Coming to introduction, the concept of the smart city was originated in 2008 and become an hot topic and urban planning globally. Then we introduce nowadays we to overcome that ecology that problem. That's the new ecology of a coordinated development between the state of city realized using the information and communication technology. In that efficiency to interact directly with both community and city infrastructure and monitor to how to city is evolving and what is happening in the city. Then we against the system early traffic data is difficult to obtain and the data environment is small and how low quality leading to use of small sample. However, over complex models such as neural network and combination model have a complex process and larger computation. The disadvantages of the existing system: failure in controlling pollution, inconvenience to the people. So, to overcome these problems, coming to our system, in this 1960s and 1970s, the scholar begins to apply the maxwell prediction methods in economics, physically, and disciplines to short-term traffic prediction. And the prediction methods mainly appear linear theory, statistical theory. Now we can divide it into five categories models, that is statistical analysis model, artificial intelligence model, non-linear theory, traffic simulation, and combined prediction model. The advantages of proposed system: easy congestion, improve traffic management, minimize environmental impact. Coming to this, see this picture, it is a ITS system, intelligent transport system. It is monitoring in the governance. Then coming to flowchart, the sequence flow events are using like a file tabs. In the start and end contains in between sampling original traffic differential process transfer sequence determining order of ARMA model or etc. Then coming to use case diagrams, in this presents a graphical overview of the functional provided by a system in terms of actors, then and goals, dependence, that is use cases. This diagram system functions perform for which actors. Then we go to results and discussion. In this, the display in like in this way in monitoring governance. Then go to input, the input in textiles plate data, click inside the data analysis. The we can and also add more than 10 to 30 data while will pertaining using. Then become SVM for predicting the traffic based on the data is added. Then output we should be come the prediction textile products. Then we discuss conclusion. Although we future scope in this although deeping and genetic algorithm in important problem in data analysis, it has not been dealt with extensively by machine learning community. The proposed algorithm gives higher accuracy than existing algorithms. Also, it improves the complexity issues to the dataset. Also, we have planned to integrate the web server and application. Also, thinks algorithms will be further improved to much higher accuracy factors. They have a tangible effect on the performance of studied deep learning algorithms. Thank you.